Oh, okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bushra from Beauty Buzz by Bushra. Those who are new, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And if you're liking this look, this bronzy look, then you can check this makeup tutorial what is already uploaded on my channel. And it's a Eid special makeover, and I have started a new series for my channel, so check this out. So today's content is all about makeup tools. Yes, brush, sponge and many things. Like today I'm going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes. It's a very important thing, and it's a very important makeup routine as well. Like those who fond of makeup, you have to clean your brush regularly. It's a very simple technique but hygienic and hazard free. Yeah, hazard free. So yeah, if you're interested that how I clean my makeup brushes, then let's get into the video. Okay guys, you can see here I have taken a clear transparent jar. Like you can take a bowl as well, what is convenient for you. Then these all are my makeup brushes. You can see all are dirty now because like for 2 days I'm continuously doing makeup tutorials, so these all are dirty now. I have to clean them. So you can see. Okay, now here I have taken like half jar of clean water, and now I'm going to dip all my makeup brushes into this jar. And my 2 beauty sponge as well. 1 and 2. This one. So I have already dipped all the brushes and beauty sponges. Now you can see these are my brushes. Okay, so these are the brushes. Now in this clean water I'm going to add 2 spoon detergent powder, and I'm 100% sure like we all have detergent powder what we usually use for washing our clothes in our house. So yeah, 2 spoon of detergent powder, 1 spoon and 2 spoon. That's it. Now in this mixture I'm going to add 1 tablespoon vinegar. Here I'm using this vinegar. So any brand you can use. White vinegar I'm going to use. You can see. Okay. So it's a vinegar. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon vinegar. Not 1 tablespoon. I think 2 tablespoon. Okay. So yeah, I have added. And now what? You have to wait for half an hour. So this is the mixture, you can see. And now I'm going to keep this mixture and my brushes for 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Okay, and after 40 minutes I will come back soon. Guys, after 40 minutes now I'm going to check my brushes. It's my foundation and powder brush. Oh my god, can you guys see? It's already clean. See? And let's check one of my eye brush. Yeah, it's already clean. Yippee! So now I'm not going to wash with it clean water. I'm going to change this water. Then again I will wait for 20 minutes. Okay? So yeah. So I have already changed the water. It's a clean water. Then I will wait for 20 minutes, and then finally I will wash all the brushes with a clean water. Okay, so yeah, let's wait for 20 minutes now. Okay guys, so finally I'm going to wash my brushes and beauty sponge after 20 minutes. I will take off all the brushes, and then I'm pouring water, clean water here. So it's already clear, but still I will wash it properly like this. As you can see, my beauty blender is also like totally clean. no dyes or makeup products, but still with the clear cold water I am washing it properly, and we'll squeeze it and keep it here. Like every brush, I'm going to wash in this way. Okay, this. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the way how I usually clean my makeup brushes. It's a very simple process. You can follow the process, and all the ingredients what we need are available in our house. I hope so. And okay guys, so this is it. This is the way how I usually clean my brushes. You can follow the process. It's a very simple, easy method, and all the ingredients are available in our house. So yeah, just try at your home. And if you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. I will come back soon with a brand new tutorial or useful content. So till then, take care, bye, be happy, stay healthy, and I love you all.